Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I am going to be showing you the best travel insurance for USA from India. So if you are a traveler and looking for some good insurance from India, then I recommend TourMed, as this offers the best uh, coverage of different features and pricing. You can see they have competitive premium, a unique personalized rating structure. If you want to know why you should choose TourMed, because experts take time to answer your questions. Customized coverage is also available, and if you want to simply make a claim for a purchase, including emergency assistance, they are going to be helping you in that matter. And finally, they also have simplified process and documents to help you understand the coverage that you're going to be buying. So they are going to be assisting you amazingly and create even a customized plan for you. So what else do you need if you are visiting from India to US? So yeah, that is it. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.